animal right here. Show them. Look at how it's behaving. They're seeing everything. It's actually surprised. It thought it was actually on the nest. I'm very, very careful with it. I don't want to disturb it. Very, very careful. And see for yourself, beautiful people. So this is it, guys. So guys, I think what I'm going to do, I'm going to look for a place and put this bird. Yeah, because I don't want to go with it and then maybe the mother is trying to look for it. It's like I would have abducted a young bird. Yeah, so that's it.